Touch-sensitive river desktop. This technology-sensitive desktop has won the favor of many DIY design enthusiasts and completed our own creations. We are also constantly optimizing modules to make assembly more convenient and fast. Through our continuous efforts, the third-generation touch-sensing smart table module is put into use. In this video, we make a simple comparison between the second-generation and third-generation modules, and use the third-generation module to design a small river desktop board. Of course, you can also use it as a tea tray or a bread cutting board. This is a third-generation module, with a total of 16 lamp beads evenly arranged, and its diameter is 60 mm. The power cord of the new module is 2-pin, making the connection easier. We electrified the old and new modules to see the lighting effects. The new modules only need to be connected to the power cord. The light strips are integrated on the module, making the connection easier. The old modules require additional light strips. By lighting up the lamp beads, we can find that the new module lamp beads emit more evenly, and the darkness between the lamp beads is relatively small. After the desktop assembly is completed, no obvious lamp beads and dark blocks will be seen from the surface. Of course, different modules will have different openings during panel production. In the picture, the left side is the placement area for the old module, and the right side is the placement area for the new module. The old module needs to be connected with a light strip and a power cord. After the modules are connected, the cables are very messy. The new module on the right only needs to be connected with the power cord, and the overall situation is very tidy after connecting. Install the base plate and secure it with screws. We will mass produce and sell the finished product for this Touch River tea tray. In the final finished product, the bottom plate and the panel are closely fitted, and there will be number 6 screws. The selection and processing of the wooden board will be better, and the overall effect will be more beautiful.
Thank you.